Hi everyone, and welcome! Have you ever tried to upload your Arduino sketch only to be met with a frustrating error message saying Arduino text section exceeds available space in board? It's a common problem, and today we're going to break down exactly what that means and, more importantly, how you can fix it. This error basically tells you that your program, your code, is too big for the microcontroller's brain, its flash memory. Think of it like trying to fit a huge book into a tiny backpack. The Arduino Uno or Nano, for example, has 32 kilobytes of flash memory. While that sounds like a lot, complex projects can quickly fill it up. So, why does this happen? Well, often it's because your sketch is becoming quite complex. You might be using many different libraries, each adding its own code to your project. Large arrays or strings, especially if they're not optimized, can also contribute to this size. Sometimes, using the string object in Arduino instead of C-style character arrays can be less efficient in terms of memory. Your code simply has more instructions than the board can store. Now, let's talk about solutions. There are several effective ways to tackle this. First, you should always try to optimize your code. Go through your sketch and remove any unused variables or functions. Simplify your logic wherever possible. Every line of unnecessary code adds to the size. Second, be mindful of your data types. If a variable only needs to store a number from 0 to 255, use a byte instead of an int. An int uses 2 bytes, while a byte uses just 1. This small change adds up. Third, and this is a big one for strings, use the f macro for constant strings. Instead of serial.println, my long message, use serial.println f my long message. This tells the compiler to store the string directly in flash memory instead of copying it to RAM, which helps save space. Fourth, try to avoid the string class entirely if you're hitting memory limits. Use char arrays and functions like strcpy or strcat instead. They are more memory efficient. Fifth, review your libraries. Are you using a huge library for a tiny function? Sometimes, a more lightweight alternative exists, or you might be able to write a simpler function yourself. If you're including libraries you don't actually use in your final code, remove them. Sixth, consider your board. If you've optimized everything you can and your code is still too big, it might be time to upgrade your hardware. Boards like the Arduino Mega, ESP32, or ESP8266 offer significantly more flash memory. This is often the most straightforward solution if software optimization isn't enough. Always check the output window for warnings when you compile. Sometimes these can give clues about inefficient code. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips help you overcome that frustrating text section exceeds available space error. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Arduino tutorials and troubleshooting guides. It really helps us out, and you won't miss any future videos. See you next time.